Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are studying new syllabus mathematics and we have started a topic of sets. This topic is divided in two books, D2 and D4. In D2 it is chapter number 14 which we are studying nowadays. Today is our lesson number 11. So let's begin our lesson. Today we will study the methods of writing sets in different ways. A set is written by using different methods. Number one, it is a listing method. Listing method is also called tabular method or roster method in other books, but in your syllabus and your books it will be listing method. You will be asked to list the elements of the set. So keep this in mind. When you are asked to list the element, it means you will use a listing method. Descriptive method. Descriptive method have two forms. One, describing the elements of the set in words, and describing the elements of the set in set notation. This form of writing sets is also called set builder method in other books in metric class. But in your syllabus there are two methods, listing method and descriptive method. Descriptive method is further divided into two parts. Describing the elements in words, you will be asked, or you will be asked to describe the elements of the set in set notation. So you have to look at the wording of the question. Describing in words and describing in set notation. These are two forms of writing set in descriptive method. Other one is algebraic method. Exam type question. You will be asked question about the sets, and the type of questions are, you will be asked to list the elements of the set A in set notation. List the element in set notation, or simply list the elements of set A. Means you will use tabular method. You will be asked to describe the elements of the set in words, so you have to use this method. And describe the elements of set in set notation. Describe the elements in words and describe the elements in set notation are two different things, so you have to keep these questions in mind. Now let's explain these methods. Listing method we will study first. Listing or tabular or roster method. In this method, all the elements of the set are listed within this bracket and are separated by commas. So each element is listed within these brackets and they are separated by commas. So that is called the listed method. So each element of the set has to be written physically within this bracket. Let's take some examples. A is the set of vowels of English alphabet. This is the set. You are asked to list the element of this set. So list means you have to write all the vowels of English alphabet within this curly bracket, and you have to separate these elements by commas. The set of the days of week beginning with the letter S. So you will not write all the days, but those days which begins with letter S. So set B is the set of Saturday and Sunday only. C is the set of natural numbers less than 5. So what are the natural numbers less than 5? Less than 5. Less than 5 means 5 is not included there. So you will write all the natural numbers. As you know, natural numbers starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of this set. D is the set of first 1000 natural numbers. So first 1000 means 1 to 1000. So we will write it like this: 1 2 3,000. Now look at this. We have used these signs, three dots here, because this set is a big set. It has 1000 elements, so it is not possible for us to write all the 1000 numbers within brackets. So we will write first few numbers, then comma, and we will paste three dots. These three dots is called ellipsis, indicates that the element continues in obvious way. इसी तरह ये elements जो है वो चलते जा रहे हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और end पे जाके 1000 होगा. So when a set is a big, has many elements, and it is not possible to write all the elements within the bracket, so we will first write 3 4 first elements, comma, 3 dots, then comma, and we will write the last two elements. So this is the way of writing a very big set. Now if a set has infinitely many elements, there is no end of the sets, then how we will write that? May also be used where set have infinitely many elements or set does not end, like this: set of the n is the set of all natural numbers. All natural numbers mean we do not know the last end of the natural number, so we will write list the element of this set. We will write few elements, few natural numbers, 1 2 3 4 comma, and then we will place three dots, that is we will place ellipsis, so it indicates that this pattern of numbers goes on forever. So this is the way of writing the set in listing or tabular or roster manner. In matrix you will be asked to write the set in tabular form. So these are the important sets in mathematics. Set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Its elements are these. W is the set of whole numbers. 0 is included in this. Z is the set of all integers, 0 and positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. Z positive means the set of all positive integers, 1 2 3 and so on. Z negative means the set of all negative integers, -1 -2 -3, because negative numbers goes on forever on the left hand side. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is integer, but it is neither positive nor negative, so 0 will not be written in positive integers set, and 0 will also be not written in negative integers set. E is the set of all positive even numbers. O is the set of all positive odd numbers. P is the set of all prime numbers. Prime numbers are those which has exactly two factors, or the numbers which can be divided only by itself and 1. 1 is not prime number, you have to keep this in mind. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the first prime number which is even. All the other prime numbers are odd numbers. So whenever you are asked A is a set of P, so P mean it is prime number. Describing in words, the second method is descriptive method. In descriptive method, first form was describing sets in words or descriptive methods. What we do in this method, we write well defined description or a definition, a statement. We write a statement in English of the elements of the set in words. Set can also be described in words by writing a description of its elements between curly brackets. Curly brackets में भी हम उसको लिख सकते हैं, तो देखते हैं इसकी एग्जांपल्स. ये डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स हैं इसकी. पहली एग्जांपल है A is the set of odd numbers less than 7. So this is a statement. Set A, the element of set A are numbers which are less than 7. So we have less than 7 odd numbers कौन से होते हैं? 1 3 5 1 3 5 ही होते हैं ना. 1 3 5 जब सेट है वो टेबुलर फॉर्म और लिस्टिंग फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, तो उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या होगी? A is the set of odd numbers less than 7, or this can be written as A is equal to ये ब्रैकेट starts odd numbers less than 7. अब देखिए यहाँ पे हमने ये नहीं लिखा, is the set नहीं लिखा, is the set of. So this curly bracket is itself means A is the set of, A is the set of odd numbers less than 7. B is the set of numbers greater than 30 and smaller than 55, or B is equal to numbers greater than 30 and smaller than 55. Now look, greater than 30 means 30 is not included, smaller than 55 means smaller 55 is not included. C is the set of even numbers between 1 and 11. So this is the way of writing set, and this is called the describing elements of set in words. Now there is a word between 1 and 11, between 1 and 11, because this is the set of even number and 1 and 11 are not even numbers, so it will be understood that you will write the even number which is greater than 1 and even number which is smaller than 1 and all between these two. But if the set is of natural numbers between 1 and 11, so between 1 and 11 natural numbers, 1 is also a natural number, 11 is also a natural number, so between always mean 1 and these two end numbers are not included. But sometimes he uses the word between 1 and 11 इंक्लूसिव. इंक्लूसिव का मतलब होता है कि 1 और 11 उसमें शामिल है. अब इस केस में तो नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज द सेट ऑफ इवन नंबर्स. if this C is the set of all natural numbers between 1 and 11 inclusive between 1 and 11 and there is a word inclusive, so it means अब वो 1 और 11 भी इसमें शामिल हो जाएंगे, जबकि अकेला between 1 and 11 का मतलब है कि 1 और 11 इसमें शामिल नहीं होंगे. Similarly, D is the set of elements, first 4 positive integers, E is the set of colors of rainbow, F is the set of prime numbers between 3 and 7. So this is a statement which describes the elements of each set. You can practice and write each of these sets in listing using the listing method. For this set, the listing form will be this curly bracket starts and then 1 3 5 separated by commas, and for this numbers greater than 30 means 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, because more numbers than ellipses, and you can write 54, and similarly you can write the other sets. Now describing in notation, this is important. This describing set in notation is called set builder method also. In metric class, this form of writing set is called set builder method. What we do in this method, the element of the set is described by using a variable x. So for all the elements of the set, we will use a letter x or any other variable. Usually it is x is used, followed by a colon. The symbol this colon or this straight slash is used to denote such that. So in mathematics, such that is symbolically written with colon or with this sign, and then we write the property or properties possessed by the elements of the set and enclose the whole description in curly brackets or braces. So this is the way of writing the sets in set builder form. Let's see the examples. Example, set A of even numbers between 1 and 11. This set is written in describing in words form, descriptive form, but this set is described in words. Set A of even numbers between 1 and 11. So for this we will write this set as A is equal to the set of all x such that x is an even number and x is between 1 and 11, because there are two properties. One, that set is even and it is between 1 and 11. This can also be written as, this is the name of the set, this is the variable which we have used, this is the property number 1, x is an even number, and this one is the property number 2, x is between 1 and 11. So this set can also be written in another way, which is this: name of set, x the variable, such that x is an even number, x is an even number, first property, and के लिए कॉमा आ जाएगा, and x is between 1 and 11. You can also write x is between 1 and 11, or you can use this inequality: x is greater than 1 and less than 11, because between 1 and 11 and 1 and 11 are not included, therefore we have not put equality sign here. Or this can also be written as this: A is the set of all x such that x belongs to E. अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा सेट ऑफ इवन नंबर को किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? E. But x are not all the even numbers. There is another condition, restriction on even number x, that x is between 1 and 11. So this is the way of writing any set in set notation by using descriptive method. Algebraic method. In this method, elements of the set will be given in the form of an algebraic expression or algebraic equation. The set A consists of the points whose coordinates x, y are given by this. अब ये एक सेट है A. अब देखिए इसमें ये वाला जो सेट है, इस सेट को डिस्क्राइब किया है इस वाली इक्वेशन से. तो इसमें हमने पीछे पढ़ा था कि x की वैल्यू पुट करते जाएंगे तो हमारे पास y की वैल्यू आती जाएगी. तो वो सारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स जिसमें x की, इस इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू पुट करें, x 0 होगा तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी, x 1 होगा तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी, x 2 होगा तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी, वो हम इसमें पुट करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल A, एक्स वाई सच दैट y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 1. यानी इसी तरह की ये एग्जाम्पल है. यानी A एक ऐसा सेट है जिसके एलिमेंट्स ऑर्डर्ड पेयर की फॉर्म में है, x और y है. वो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर कहाँ से मिलते हैं हमें? y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 1 से. तो अब इसमें अगर आप x की वैल्यू पुट करें तो y की जो वैल्यू आएगी वो एक ऑर्डर पेयर बन जाएगा, लाइक दिस. जब आप x की वैल्यू -1 इसमें पुट करते हैं इस इक्वेशन में, तो y की वैल्यू क्या आती है? -2 प्लस 1 -1. सो व्हेन x इज -1 y इज also -1. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 5 and so on. ये नेगेटिव पुट करेंगे तो इधर आती जाएगी, पॉजिटिव पुट करेंगे तो इधर आती जाएगी. So this is the way of writing algebraic method. You will be given an equation or an algebraic expression and you will be asked to use this set in solving problems. Let's see some other examples. B is the set of all x such that x is equal to x square and x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 4. यानी क्या है? वो सारे x क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर्स. कौन से नेचुरल नंबर? जो 4 या 4 से कम है. 4 या 4 से कम नेचुरल नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं? 1 2 3 4. अब क्या है कि अगर आप B के एलिमेंट्स वो नेचुरल नंबर्स होंगे जिनका स्क्वायर लेने से जो आंसर आता है वो 1 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 1. 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 2 नेचुरल नंबर है. 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? x जो है वो किसके इक्वल है? 2 के स्क्वायर के इक्वल, वो 4 है. और फिर x किसके इक्वल है? 3 के स्क्वायर के इक्वल. x किसके इक्वल है? 4 के स्क्वायर के इक्वल. तो ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है इसके ऊपर. x जो है वो लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4 है. अगर लेस देन 4 होता तो फिर 16 इसमें नहीं आता, 1 4 और 9. तो दिस इज एन अलजेब्राइक इक्वेशन. x इज इक्वल टू b के एलिमेंट वो सारे x हैं जो नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं. कौन से? 4 या 4 से कम, और उनके स्क्वायर लेने से जो आंसर्स आते हैं वो b के एलिमेंट्स हैं. C such that x is equal to 2 to raise power n and n belongs to whole number. whole number कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? which are less than or equal to 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. n जो है वो उसकी वैल्यू 0 1 2 3 4 और 5 है, वो हमने यहाँ पे पुट कर, यानी C के एलिमेंट वो सारे x हैं जो हमें मिलते हैं 2 की पावर में 5 से कम जो होल नंबर्स हैं उनको पुट करें। अब 2 की पावर 0 किसके इक्वल होगा, 2 की पावर 0 1 के इक्वल, तो 1 इसका एलिमेंट आ गया। 2 की पावर 1 2 की पावर 1 2 के इक्वल, 2 की पावर 2 4 के इक्वल, 2 की पावर 3 8 के इक्वल, 2 की पावर 4 16 के इक्वल, 2 की पावर 5 32 के इक्वल। So C is the set of all x such that x is equal to 2 to its power n, one condition, n belongs to whole number, second condition, and n is less than or equal to 5. So इस इक्वेशन में x n की वैल्यू आप 5 से कम वाले जो 5 या 5 से कम वाले नेचुरल नंबर्स को पुट करेंगे तो x की जो वैल्यू आएगी वो इस सेट के एलिमेंट्स होंगे। डी x such that x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0, यानी एक ऐसा x जिसको इस इक्वेशन में पुट करने से आंसर आपका 0 आए और वो x जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर है, तो वो 1 और 2 ही होगा ना, क्योंकि इस फैक्टर में 1 पुट करेंगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस इज 0। ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में आपने सॉल्व भी किया, जब दो फैक्टर 0 को इक्वल होते हैं तो इसको 0 को इक्वल पुट करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, इसको 0 को इक्वल पुट करेंगे तो x की दूसरी वैल्यू। x such that x square is equal to 4 and x belongs to n, एक ऐसा xe जो सेट है उसके एलिमेंट्स एक ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं जो नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं और उनका स्क्वायर लें तो आपके पास आंसर 4 आए। तो नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 1 से, 1 2 3 4 5, तो 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 1, 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 4, इसका मतलब 3 का स्क्वायर 9, तो सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट आएगा इसका जो कि 2 होगा। x is equal to 2x minus 1 equal to 0 and x belongs to n, यानी ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर जिसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और उसमें से 1 माइनस करें तो आंसर आपका 0 आए। अब नेचुरल नंबर आपको पता 1, पहला नेचुरल नंबर 1 है, 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और 1 इसमें से माइनस करें तो 1 आता है, 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 1 माइनस करें तो 3 आता है, 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 1 माइनस 5, तो मानी कोई भी ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है जिसको हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसमें से 1 माइनस करें तो आपके पास 0 आए, तो इसका मतलब है ये ऐसा सेट होगा जिसका कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है। सो दीज आर द मेथड्स ऑफ राइटिंग सेट्स और दिस इज प्रैक्टिस टाइम। इन एग्जांपल नंबर 1, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 100, ये एक सेट दिया हुआ है, आपने इस सेट को तीनों फॉर्म्स में लिखना है, डिस्क्राइबिंग इन वर्ड्स, a इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 100, ये तो ये स्टेटमेंट आ जाएगी। लिस्टिंग फॉर्म में क्या होगा, ग्रेटर देन 100 नेचुरल नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं 101 102 103, अब ग्रेटर देन 100 नेचुरल नंबर बहुत सारे हैं तो एंड में हम क्या करेंगे एलिप्सिस डाल देंगे। डिस्क्राइबिंग एंड सेट नोटेशन a, इसके लिए हम एक लेटर यूज करेंगे x, फिर सच देन x बिलोंग्स टू, x किसको बिलोंग करता है नेचुरल नंबर्स, x बिलोंग्स टू n और x क्या है, दूसरी कंडीशन क्या है x इज ग्रेटर देन 100, और दिस कैन आल्सो बी रिटन लाइक दिस, x such that x is a natural number, ये सिंबल यूज करने की बजाय आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन बेटर है कि ये यूज करना। आपको क्वेश्चन में इस तरह भी दिया हो सकता है, इस तरह भी दिया हो सकता है। सेट बी ऑफ फर्स्ट 100 होल नंबर्स, फर्स्ट 100 होल नंबर्स क्या होगा, डिस्क्राइबिंग इन वर्ड्स में तो ये सीधा सीधा यही आ जाएगा, बी द सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 100 होल नंबर। लिस्टिंग फॉर्म में क्या आएगा, b इज इक्वल टू 0 से 99 तक आएगा, 100 है 100, फर्स्ट होल नंबर 0 है, 0 1 2 3 4, और चूंकि बड़ा सेट है तो एलिप्सिस और एंड पे 99 और 0 तक के जो एलिमेंट ये 100 नंबर है, 100 नहीं इसमें आएगा, अगर आप 100 लिख देंगे तो देन इट विल बिकम 101 एलिमेंट्स। डिस्क्राइबिंग इन सेट नोटेशन उसी तरह x, इसका आपको पता था, x एक ऐसा नंबर है जो होल नंबर है और ये 100 से कम है, लेस देन 100 है, और होल नंबर लेस देन और इक्वल टू 99, लेस देन और इक्वल टू 99 भी हो सकता है, इसमें 99 शामिल हो गया और इसमें 100 शामिल नहीं है। C Tuesday Thursday, so C is the set of days of week beginning with letter T, or C is the set of all x such that x is a day of the week beginning with the letter T. 1 3 5 7 9 11. So first odd numbers, a set of odd numbers less than 12. X says that X is an odd number less than 12, or D is the set of all X such that X belongs to O and X is less than 12. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. तो ये कैसे numbers हैं? E है. E is the set of even numbers. In descriptive or describing in words form में ये आ गया, और describing in set notation. So these are three methods of writing sets. Sometimes you are given set in this form, but if you are given set in this form or in this form, it is better to write the set in listing form and then solve the questions. Summary. What we have studied today, we have studied methods of writing sets, which is listing method, tabular method और roster. Descriptive method में दो methods पढ़े, describing in words and describing in set notation, which is also called set builder method. Now after this lesson you can answer the following questions of exercise 4A. Question number 3, 7, 10, 11, 13 and 16. If you have any, contact me. This is the schedule which you already know. My profile. Thank you. So you are also requested, after watching the video, please do like the video. लाइक किया करें ताकि पता चले कि आपको समझ भी आ रही है या नहीं. So please like the video. अल्लाह हाफिज़.